Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. We recently came across the Aovowheel Electric Scooter, and we've added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Aovowheel Electric Scooter is designed specifically for adults who are looking for a reliable and efficient mode of transportation. This folding e-scooter packs a powerful punch with its impressive motor options, allowing speeds of up to 24 miles per hour. With a peak power of 500 watts, it's not just fast, it also offers a range of 19 to 23 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for daily commutes or quick trips around town. One of the standout features of this scooter is its robust dual brake system, which combines a responsive handbrake with a rear fender foot brake. This innovative design ensures that you can stop smoothly and safely, providing peace of mind whether you're navigating busy streets or cruising through quiet neighborhoods. The scooter also features a variety of tire options, including 8.5, 10, and 14 inches, which contribute to a comfortable riding experience. For those who might be new to riding electric scooters, the Aovowheel offers 3 adjustable speed modes, 9, 6, and 3 miles per hour. This feature makes it suitable for riders of all skill levels, from beginners to more experienced users. The high-definition LCD screen is another bonus, clearly displaying essential data like battery level, speed, and distance traveled, so you're always informed about your riding status. One of the most appealing aspects of the Aovowheel electric scooter is its lightweight and portable design. Weighing only 16 pounds, it's easy to lift and can be folded up for convenient storage or transport. This makes it an excellent choice for city dwellers, college students, or anyone who needs a quick and efficient way to get around without the hassle of a car. Practical use cases for this scooter are plentiful. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just enjoying a leisurely ride in the park, the Aovowheel electric scooter fits seamlessly into your daily routine. It's also a fun option for those looking to explore their neighborhoods or nearby trails without the constraints of traditional transportation. In conclusion, the Aovowheel electric scooter is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable, fast, and safe commuting solution. With its powerful performance, user-friendly features, and compact design, it truly stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.